Hi everyone, this is your Tito Mark of Tech Pinas, and sa video na to, we're going to do a triple phone drop test featuring 3 of Honor's drop-resistant smartphones na talaga nga namang naging mga best sellers. First, we have the Honor X9A from 2023, and then we have Honor X9B from 2024, and finally, we have the latest bestseller, the Honor X9C 5G from 2025. So, I just want to show you first na lahat sila ay working. Yan guys. All of them are working phones. Starting with Honor X9A. Siyempre, meron pa rin tayo nitong unit na to, di ba? So, simula tayo dito. Honor X9A. So, bandang dibdib to, guys. From 2023, drop test. And, as you can see, it's still working. So, sumunod na tayo. No? The next year, Honor released the follow-up. And ito yon guys. This is the Honor X9B 5G. Ayan. Nabagsakan phone, naalala nyo ba to? Bestseller from 2024. And check natin, mas mataas ng konti dito. Siguro, eye level. Yan, tama ba? Eye level tayo. And let's drop it. Let's check kung drop resistant pa rin ba siya. After all these months, 1, 2, 3. Solid yan ah. Solid yung bagsak. And of course, guys, still working flawlessly. Guys, yan lang sila sa bulsa ko. And we have the latest model, Honor X9C 5G, the Guinness World Record holder phone. And this one, guys, mas mataas na ang drop resistance niya, up to 2 meters. So, lampas na to ng ulo ko guys because I'm about 5'8", so I'm about 1.72, tama ba? 1.72 meters high. So this is I guess around less than 2 meters pa rin nga ito, but let's try it here. Okay? Let's drop the Honor X9C 5G. Magsusurvive ba? 1, 2, 3. Solid yun. Grabe yung bagsak guys. Pero, it's still working perfectly. Diba? Honor X9C 5G. Guinness World Record holder phone to guys. And proudly, isa ako dun sa 264 people who simultaneously dropped this phone to set a new world record para sa simultaneous phone drop test of a smartphone model that's on sale in the market. Yan guys. Okay? So it's working. Isa pa guys. Para talagang matest natin, di ba? Grabe. Grabe yung tunog nun eh. And of course, it's still working. Bas ko na ulit yung tatlo. I guess at this point, talaga nga namang na-prove na ng Honor that they truly make smartphones that are built tough. So there you go guys. This is our epic triple smartphone drop test. 3 generations of ultra tough smartphones from Honor Philippines. Thumbs up.